Did you know the son of the Philippine Justice Secretary was caught with over 1.3 million pesos worth of... In October 2022, Customs intercepted a package nearly 900 grams of a high-grade marijuana strain known for its potency. The package was addressed to Juanito Jose Remula III, the son of DOJ Secretary Boying Remula. He was arrested during a controlled delivery operation and detained, but just 3 months later he walked free, acquitted by the Las Piñas court.
Sabi kasi ng korte hindi daw sapat ang ebidensya para mapatunayan na alam ng nakababatang Remulla na may tatanggapin siyang delivery noong araw na iyon. Tinanggap naman ni Remulla III ang package kahit na hindi niya kilala ang sender at kahit wala siyang inaasahan na darating.
In a verdict handed down just few minutes ago, found Juanito Jose Remula III not guilty.
Bakit siya naabsuelto? Hindi rin daw magkapareho ang pangalan sa naturang package sa pangalan ni Remulla. Juanito Remulla ang nakasulat at hindi Juanito Jose Remulla, wait for it, the third.
Secretary Remula said he didn't interfere. But most Filipinos rot in jail for far less and wait years for trial. Was it fairness or privilege? You decide.